Hello guys and welcome to the lectures of engineering mathematics. So today in this lectures we will discuss about the ordinary differential equations and its applications. So here ordinary differential equations. So first of all we need to know what do you mean by ordinary differential equations. Here ordinary differential equations involves some ordinary derivative of functions. So in real life or in practice ordinary differential equations is more complicated than the simple integrations. And to talk about these applications generally, the study of differential equation is wide in pure and applied mathematics. It is also used in physics and engineering, and also the many fundamental laws of physics and chemistry can be formulated with the help of ordinary differential equations. So today in this lectures we will discuss or will proceed through exactness theorems. Since there are many techniques to solve ordinary differential equations, so first of all we will proceed through the exactness theorems. So first we have exactness theorem. So first of all we need to what do you mean by exactness theorems. So it can be defined as a differential equation of the form m x comma y dx plus n x comma y dy equals to 0 is said to be exact if its hand members is the exact differential of some functions. So it means u x comma y, that is the differential of du, will be here m dx plus n dy, and it will be equals to 0. And the exactness theorem states here the necessary and the sufficient conditions for the differential equations m dx plus n dy equals to 0 to be exact. So for this the exactness we must have del m upon del y equals to del n upon del x. And the solution of m dx plus n dy equals to 0 is, so generally the solution of exactness theorem is given by integral of m dx, and it is the y constant, plus integral of so term of n not containing x with respect to differential of dy equals to c. So this will be the solution for the exact differential equations. Now we'll solve our problems related to this. So we have the first numerical here, x square minus 4xy minus 2y square, and dx plus y square minus 4xy minus 2x square, and dy equals to 0. So we have the given question here: x square minus 4xy minus 2y square dx plus y square minus 4xy minus 2x square dy equals to 0. So here we have m equals to x square minus 4xy minus 2y square, and here we have n equals to y square minus 4xy minus 2x square. Since it is m dx plus n dy equals to 0, so here in place of m we have m equals to x square minus 4xy minus 2y square, and n equals to y square minus 4xy minus 2x square. Now we will differentiate m with respect to y. So we will partially differentiate m with respect to y. So we have with respect to y, so here we have 4x, so this will be 0, and minus 4x minus we have 4y, and del n upon del x. Here it will be 4y minus 4x. So here del m upon del y equals to minus 4x minus 4y, and del n upon del x equal to minus 4y minus 4x. Since these two are equal, so you can say that thus the given solution is exact, since we have del m upon del y equals to del n upon del x. Now we need to calculate the solution of this differential equation. Now its solution is y constant, and here m dx plus term of n not containing x into dy equals to c. So in place of m we have x square minus 4xy minus 2y square dx plus integral of, since in term of n not containing x, so in n we have the term not containing x, we have y square dy equals to c. So now we'll differentiate it, we'll get here x cube upon 3 minus 4 x square upon 2 into y minus 2x y square plus y cube upon 3 equals to 6. So finally we get here x cube minus 6 x square y minus 6 x y square plus y cube equals to c. So you can solve this in this way. We have the next numerical here: 3x square plus 6xy square and dx plus 6x square y plus 4y cube dy equals to 0. So here we have m equals to 3x square plus 6xy square, and in place of n we have 6x square y plus 4y cube. Since we have m equals to 3x square plus 6xy square and n equals to 6x square y plus 4y cube, so we'll partially differentiate m with respect to y. Since we have m equals to 3x square plus 6xy square, and we have to differentiate partially with respect to y, so here we'll get here 12xy, and similarly del n upon del x. We'll get here 12xy. Since these two are equals, so the solution is exact. So thus we can say the solution is exact, and it is here given by integral of n dx plus integral of term of n not containing x dy equals to c. So in place of m we have integral of 3x square plus 6xy square dx plus, means we have a term of n not containing x. So here we have 4y cube dy equals to 6. Now we'll integrate it, and finally we'll get here 3x cube upon 3 6y square and x square upon 2 plus 4y to the power 4 upon 4 equals to 6. So finally we have x cube plus 3x square y square plus y to the power 4 equals to 6, equals to c, not 6. So this is the required solutions. So we have the third problem here. Sec x tan x tan y minus e to the power x dx plus sec x sec square y dy equals to 0. So here we have m equals to sec x tan y minus e to the power x, and we'll differentiate m with respect to y, means we have to differentiate partially. So with respect to y, so sec x will remain constant here, sec x, tan x will also here constant, and we have tan y. So in place of tan we can write here sec square y, and this term will be 0, and we have n equals to sec x sec square y. So del n upon del x equals to sec x tan x sec square y. So since here del n upon del y equal to sec x into tan x into sec square y, and del n upon del x equal to sec x into tan x into sec square, so these two are equal. So you can say that the solution is exact. And to find its solution, so, and here its solution is given by integral of m dx. In place of m we have sec x into tan x into tan y minus e to the power x dx plus integral of term of n not containing x. So we have n equals to sec x into sec square x, so there will be no any terms containing x. So write here 0 into dy equals to 0. So integrating will get here with respect to x, we get sec x into tan y minus e to the power x equals to c. So this is our required solution. So in this we can solve the ordinary differential equations using exactness theorems. Thanks for watching the lectures.